So some information about the TraceTogether token. The first batch was distributed to vulnerable seniors from 28 June 2020, and it is meant for those who may not own or prefer not to use their mobile phone. The way it works is that the token will exchange Bluetooth signals with other phones or tokens with TraceTogether. The data of close contacts will be encrypted and stored on the token for no more than 25 days. The user will be informed if he or she was detected to be a close contact of a person with COVID-19. The token has no GPS and it is not connected to the internet, so no location data is captured and the data cannot be extracted remotely. Most importantly, the token has an average battery life of 4 to 6 months, and it is non-rechargeable. So for those who have collected their tokens, please be reminded to check your tokens regularly to see if they are still functioning. There should be a green light that will blink every minute. If your token has run out of battery, don't worry, because you can now replace them at vending machines set up around the island. With the rollout of our first few TraceTogether token vending machines at locations such as NEX and Sun Plaza, it is now easier to replace your own or your family's TraceTogether tokens. So some collection and replacement details. Again, check your token periodically to see it is working by looking out for a green light that will blink once every minute. If the token is blinking red or if there's no lights, you can visit any TraceTogether vending machine for a free replacement. However, only tokens collected or replaced more than 60 days can be replaced. To do so, bring along your personal ID and old token for the replacement. Residents who are collecting a token for the first time can do so at any CC. If your token has any problems but have been replaced less than 60 days, you can go to a physical counter at any CC or any shopping centers. Singaporeans and permanent residents can request for the token to be delivered via post for first-time issuance only. Now I'll be going through a step-by-step process on how to exchange your token with the TraceTogether vending machine. This is what the vending machine looks like. Firstly, you tap on the screen to begin. Next, you scan your personal ID, SingPass digital IC, or you can manually key in your NRIC. Next, you scan the QR code at the back of your old TraceTogether token. And then you wait and collect your new token from the collection chute. And this is an important step. Now you have to return your old token into the indicated slots. And lastly, please check that your new token is working by tapping it at the Safe Entry Gateway check-in box at the right side of the vending machine. Now let's look at a video for the demonstration.
First, you'll have to bring your personal ID as well as your old TraceTogether token. Then scan your IC here. Next, you'll have to scan the QR code on the back of your TraceTogether token. You can then collect the new TraceTogether token over here. Now you have to drop off your old TraceTogether token at this slot. And then test out your new TraceTogether token here at the Safe Entry Gateway box.
To find the locations of the TraceTogether vending machines, you can go to the website token.goware.gov.sg. You key in your postal code and click Go. Information on where to replace the tokens will then be displayed. Remember to bring your ID and old token, follow the instructions displayed on the machine to successfully replace your token. You can also help your family members replace theirs as well. For first-time token issuance with delivery, you can head to token.live.gov.sg, log in using your SingPass, and request for one to be mailed to you. The TraceTogether hotline is 6973-6511. The operating hours are 9 a.m. to 6 p.m., Monday to Friday, excluding public holidays.